Hello all. I would like to have a different way to cut flat stock. And so today I'm just going to experiment a bit and try to make a different kind of hardy hot cut. No, I didn't catch my thumb with my angle grinder. I actually cut it doing the dishes. Go figure. So as you can see, the flat piece is medium carbon, 1050. I need to give a shout out to Roger Reitan, a good friend of the channel in Norway. He upped his Patreon donation amount, and also to William U. Bolin, who became a new Patreon supporter, but he's actually also supports me under a different name, Cockatoo Birdman Bill. So double donation, so I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot, fellas. So I'm thinking if I drill a second hole and then I could punch that out to make a slot, and then this could go up and down uniformly. The following people donated during my last live stream. Thank you all. Different kind of cutoff wheel, pretty so-so. Just a quick aside, when I was using the cutoff wheel I was smelling smoke, and I kept thinking, who's burning stuff down below? And then I looked and my pants were on fire. So I gotta be careful, just being dangerous lately. The frayed ends of my jean shorts caught a spark and acted exactly like char cloth with a flint and fire striker. And that reminds me of the Three Stooges when Moe said to Larry that his pants are frayed. And Larry said, afraid of what? So I was going to forge this piece a bit, cut out that slot, and then also taper the cutting edge here. But I just started getting going with the grinder and decided, I'll just keep grinding. And I'll hold off on punching in the slot and just use the top drilled hole and see how that works as a pivot. It's a heck of a lot of grinding, so on come the gloves because I'm sick of quenching this every 30 seconds. I cheat a bit and put in a generous secondary bevel, but I'll have to go back and correct this a little bit later on. Sometimes shortcuts are not really shortcuts. So without a slot to make the cutting edge move up and down in a parallel way, I have to just get the cutting edge at least level with the anvil face. My anvil with the shelf below the hardy hole allows me to make adjustments. So it's apparent to me right away that the angle of the cutting edge is too steep. I need to grind some more. With me and my rudimentary equipment, this takes time, but it should be worth the effort. So it's looking good. The hollow bevel tapers very finely, and the secondary bevel is only very slight. Just a quick announcement, pop over to my spread shop, the link's in the description box down below. Buy some merch lurch and support the channel. Now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Just gotta make sure the cutting edge is flush with the face of the anvil. Just a few gentle taps. It works really well. Nice clean cut. I could have made this just as a handheld cutter, just use a longer length of that medium carbon, but it's better to have two hands free. Just lets me eyeball a little bit better where I want to cut. Not to mention, I can control the workpiece better when I have it held in a tong than just sitting loosely on my anvil face. So this piece is a little thicker, about 5/16 of an inch. So I'll try it with this copper cutting plate below. Real nice. I'm really satisfied with this. Using a traditional hardy hot cutter, I've never had much success. I've had all different kinds, and I just find it very awkward to hammer on top of the cutting edge, and prefer to do it this way around. This bolt is bent, just really weak, not to mention it's only 6mm. I have a stronger bolt that I'll substitute out, but I may also wind up just drilling a larger hole. So I tried with this piece of 5/8 inch round. I do have a hot shear for round bars, but that only goes up to 1/2 inch. Anyway, this doesn't prove very useful for round bars. For flats, this is perfect, but when this piece has to be angled up like that, it just doesn't work as well. Less than ideal for rounds of this size or above. for a piece like this 1/4 inch flat, it's just what I need. With a traditional anvil, you'll need to make shoulders on the hardy shank, but I think this is well worth giving a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.